GMC emblem, covering it in black gloss. This is not a good surface because it's riveted, but I filled it with primer. Should be fine. 3M primer is just a 3M product that I use to fill all the crevices. You can see me laying in with my nail there. It helps to make unfriendly surfaces better for the vinyl if it's not so flush or if it's got problem areas. It's best to put it on and let it dry before you put vinyl on. Maybe for 10 minutes it'll set up. I put on several layers just to try and fill those little gaps. Don't wait too long after you put it on, and always tuck the edges before you trim it so that you have it as close as possible to the edge you're trimming to. I'm going around the letter nice and careful with a very short blade. Always go over the edges and seal them with your nail or your finger so that the edge is laying down nicely, or you have the risk of lifting. I went over with my nail and with a tool. And it's the same for every letter. It's pretty straightforward.